Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video with your girl Net. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this simple Oreo cake. It's a 2 ingredients cake. So please give me a like on your way in. Also hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that post notification so you don't miss out when I post. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So to make this cake, all we're going to need is 2 ingredients. So I'm first starting off with some Oreos, and I'm emptying it into a plastic bag, a sandwich bag, or whatever you have on hand. Now what you want to do is crush these as fine as you can with a roller, or you can even use like a little spoon or something, just to make sure you get everything nice and fine. Now we're going to add our Oreos into the bowl. And it's okay if you have little extra chunks in there when you initially do it. You could just always go back in and just crush it up. Now we're going to add our second ingredient, which is milk. And you can use any kind of milk, almond milk, soy milk, any kind of milk that you prefer. I will leave all the ingredients down in the description down below. So if you guys want to make this, it'll be down there. Make sure you give everything a nice stir to make sure the milk is well incorporated, and also when you let the milk sit with the cookies, it also helps it breaks up even better. So once we get our mixture how we like it, it should look like this, like almost like a cake batter, and that's how you know it's well incorporated. Now you want to use your favorite non-stick spray to add to your pans. Now we're going to add our cake mix 3/4 of a way. Now I already preheated my oven to 350. We're going to go ahead and stick these in there for about 25 minutes, and then I'll be right back to you. Once out the oven, I went ahead and melted me some chocolate so that I could put in the center. And you're going to place it right in the center. And I mean, you could put anything you want on top. You could put fruit, but I prefer chocolate. Now I'm going to be putting some whipped cream. I just went ahead and got the canned whipped cream this time. I usually do homemade, and if you guys would like to see a recipe for that, it is in the description. And I just dressed it up with some little Oreos on top. So I add a little powdered sugar on top, and just like that, you guys, it came out so moist, and it was just really good. I really hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys try the recipe. So thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. Until next time, I'm your girl Net, and peace.